Controlling gadgets with your mind is no longer a dream. Neuralink has made it happen. But behind the success story of paralyzed patients gaining independence, there lies a terrifying risk that could change humanity's future forever. Are we ready? Elon Musk's Neuralink just made history by implanting the first brain chip in a human. This technology allows someone to control devices with just their thoughts. The first patient, Nolan Arbaugh, who is paralyzed, can now play chess, type, and browse the internet without touching any devices. Neuralink works in a revolutionary way. A small coin-sized chip containing thousands of thin electrodes is implanted into brain tissue through a precise robotic surgical procedure. This device can read and translate neuron activity, turning thoughts into digital commands. The results are truly extraordinary. The first patient, who suffered from paralysis, can now perform various activities that were previously impossible. But behind this marvel, there are serious risks. The chip implantation process, which involves drilling into the skull, carries the potential for infections and brain damage. Even more concerning is the threat to privacy. What if our brain data gets hacked or misused? Neuralink has also sparked controversy due to animal testing. Over 1,500 monkeys were reported to have died during the development of this technology. We are on the brink of a new era where humans and machines are beginning to merge. The question is, are we ready to face all the consequences? This technology could be a blessing for people with disabilities, but it could also open the door to forms of human exploitation we've never imagined before. If given the chance, would you dare to take the risk and become a test subject? Is Neuralink a medical breakthrough worth supporting, or a technology we should be wary of? This channel grows because of awesome viewers like you. Starting a channel is scary, but your support means everything. If you liked this, please subscribe. It motivates me to keep creating.